Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2023 BMW X3 M40i in Tanzanite Blue Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2023 BMW X3 M40i in Tanzanite Blue Metallic. This color is absolutely stunning. It is one of my favorite colors that we produce. And for many people, a lot of people really love Tanzanite, and I love it also for the fact that it is a very, very dark blue, and in certain lights it almost looks black, but in the sunlight you can definitely see the blue coming through. What a beautiful color. So I just wanted to walk all the way around the car, and now let's take a closer look at the details. Okay, so immediately we see the BMW 50 Years of M anniversary rondelles on there, which looks really good in contrast to the paint. We have the BMW Laserlight Headlights. Look at that, with the blue accents, looking really awesome. And because this is the M40 design, we do have, of course, the M Sport bumpers. We have the one-piece black kidney grille with the exterior black contents, little M badging on the front there. This one does have the radar down there, so it does have the full suite of assisted driving for cruise control, which is great. Now let's walk over to the side here. So down here, look at these 21-inch double spoke 718M wheels. Look at that, that looks really good. And we also have the 50 Years of M badging in the center there, blue M Sport brakes. That's a really nice setup. Got the M badging on the fender. We've got that little cutout there as well. We have the BMW M wing mirrors, which looks great in black window surrounds, black roof rails. We've got the panoramic sunroof up there, shark fin style antenna. Look at these beautiful body lines from the front fender through the door handles into the tail lights there. And of course, we've got the LCI design that started last year, and freeform exhaust. That's great. And we've got the M40i badging in chrome. Let's take a look inside the back. All right, so let me just kick my foot. We'll get the back to open up there. So we have a little storage net on this side. We have a 12-volt plug. We have a grocery bag hanger here. If I lift this up, we've got some space here, carpeted floor mats. We've got your tow hook and wheel lock key. And behind these panels, you do have a little bit of extra storage space on each side, just like so. And cargo cover is here to hide your contents, and there's a button right there to release it. Let's take a look at the rest of the car. Alright, so if we approach from the rear passenger door, so look at that, we've got the Cognac Vernasca Leather in here, aluminum rhombical trim, we've got the sunshades on each side, and let's take a look. So this one does have the recline seats in the back, so there are two positions for the recline. All the headrests are adjustable in terms of position and height. We have an armrest in the center here. Let me just get my finger in the loop. Armrest with some cup holders. And we also have a pass-through through the center here as well for any long objects. On the back of the center console, we've got some vents. We've got some rear climate controls with heated seats for the two outer positions. We have two USB Type-C charging ports down there. Pockets on the back of the seat. Vents underneath the front seats. Pockets on the doors. What a beautiful look in here. Now if I open up the front passenger door, aluminum M door sill, Harman Kardon sound system, got a little ambient light strip going on here in blue, power seat. We have iDrive 7 in here with the head-up display, M Sport steering wheel with the M stitching. I love that. And if I open up this, we've got a little storage compartment, some cup holders, 12-volt plug, USB, We have the outgoing shifter, and we've got all of the controls in the center here for all your different modes: hill descent assist, auto hold, electronic parking brake. And if I open up this, we have some space here with a USB Type-C as well. Let's go take a look at the driver's side. All right, so we open that up. We have galvanic controls, meaning that these are all in this silver color instead of black. We have some memory seats over here, unlock, lock, power seat with lumbar down here, which looks great. We have your exterior lighting controls. We have a little bit of a storage space. And on this car, we do have the full suite of assisted driving, as I'd mentioned, with that radar puck in the front, meaning that you can have this vehicle mitigate the speed, mitigate the distance to the car in front of you. It can steer for you, and it can switch lanes for you if you signal, as long as you have your eyes looking forward, because there's a little camera here that will look at your face, and you have to have one hand on the steering wheel, just providing some resistance so it knows you're not asleep. Let's take a look under the hood. All right, so it is still the 2-pole system, of course. Let me lift that up. We have the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo, 382 horsepower, 369 foot-pounds of torque. Got positive battery terminal here. Let me just put the cap back on. We have negative battery terminal down here. We have washer fluid here, and we all know this is a beast. Excellent engine. It's one of my favorite engines. Only second to the S58 in our lineup. But ultimately, looks really good in here. I love it. All right, so I just wanted to do a remote engine start for you so you can hear the cold start sound. So it's 3 presses on the lock button on the key. All right, that sounded great. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2023 BMW X3 M40i in Tanzanite Blue. I think this car looks really good. I love the color combination. What do you guys think of it? Let me know in the comments. And if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.